Hello guys and girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now I know you're probably wondering, why do I always get winning trades in my Telegram channel? Well, in this video I want to make it no longer a secret. I'm going to share with you my secret strategy that I normally use when it comes to forex trading, and that is known as the liquidity engineering. So I know you've probably googled what it is liquidity engineering in Google. So let us see what does Google says on the concept of liquidity engineering. You can see that Google says this engineering ensures that the liquidity and the account services solutions aligns with the client's account structures and fulfills its potential, as well as it helps to optimize. You can see Google, it is trying to make this concept appear to be so complex, but in reality this concept is one of the easiest concepts, and I'm going to make it easy for you. So let us get back to our charts and see what it is liquidity engineering. So I know lots of traders, if you're a new trader or experienced trader, I know one of the first concepts that you have learned when you started trading, the concepts of support and resistance. I know this is the concept that most of the traders, when they come to trading, at first glance the first thing that they learn is support and resistance, and they'll be told that you have to sell resistance and buy support. This is the concept that every trader, when it comes to trading, this is the concept that first comes into traders mind, or into traders way, you can put it that way. So liquidity engineering in layman terms, you can say it's an area where either sellers or buyers have been liquidated or they have been lied to. Do you get this concept? Is an area or place where traders, they have been lied to. Now these traders can be either the sellers or the buyers. Why do I use the layman terms of being lied to? Because as I've said, the first concept that each trader, when he comes to trading, the first concept that the traders know, or the traders is being taught, are the support and resistance. So like for this case right here, you can see that this is our resistance level and this is our support level. So obviously most of the traders at this point, they were hoping, like to sell on this resistance, because they'll be saying themselves, okay, now the market has retested for the first time, for the second time, for the third time, and they'll be waiting probably for the fourth time for the market to come to this point and enter their sell positions. Now the institution traders, those guys who have been telling you that you should sell resistance and buy support, at this point they will see a lot of volume of sellers were here, and what they will do is they will close above this level and eventually play out in a direction. Now this thing that has occurred right here, it is known as the liquidity engineering. You can see that all those sellers who they actually know that they have to sell resistance at this point have been liquidated, or they have been lied to. Like they know that they have to sell resistance, but for this case they have been lied to. Now you guy, as a person who wants to know or who trades liquidity engineering, what you are to do is you are to go and just spot the area of liquidity engineering after they have occurred, and what you'll do is you'll wait for the market to come to that exact same level after the liquidity engineering level has occurred for you to get your entries. This is a strategy that I've been using for quite some time now, and I can say it works almost 99% of the time. Some of my trades, almost 80 of my trades, I use this concept, although there are other concepts of failed liquidity engineering or support and resistance strip. All of those things, they align mostly with this concept of liquidity engineering. So let us see examples from the chart so that you can know exactly what I'm saying when I say that this strategy works almost 99% of the time. So let us see this pair of the boom 1000 index. You can see like this was our valid area of resistance level, and you can see all those sellers, they will be saying to themselves, okay, the market retested for the first time, the market retested for the second time, and on the third time all those sellers that were looking to sell this resistance right here, they had been liquidated, because probably most of their support or of their stop losses could have been at this point right here, and you can see all of the stop losses could have been heated and stopped out. Now those guys who do not know to trade, they will be saying to themselves, oh, I got stopped out, the broker wants my money. Come on, the broker has nothing to do with your $10 account or your even $1,000 account. It is too little compared to the amount of volume it is there in forex trading. So you can see what you should do as a trader. You can say, okay, right here all those sellers we are hoping to sell this resistance have been liquidated. What you should do is you should wait for the market to come back to your area right here. As you can see, as this is a trade that it was one of the traders we took, and how you can see how it played out. The concept appears simple, right? And it is very simple indeed. You just need practice. Now let us see another pair. And you can see we have volatility 751S index. You can see how traders were being liquidated right here. You can see this was our valid support, because as they say, once you get more than 2 retests on that level, then that level is a valid support. And you can see right here when the market came for the third touch, and you can see how it played out. It played out a little bit, because people have to win sometimes, so that even if they blow their accounts in the next day, they should keep coming back to forex trading and not give up on forex trading. And you can see how they do know how to play with their emotions. You can see, okay, those resistance traders who were having their sell traded right here, probably they were in brew for quite some time, and I'm sure they were happy with themselves for taking this trade. But you, as a guy who knows that the liquidity engineering works the best, you can see how the market came for the first touch right here and liquidate all those sellers who were hoping to sell this resistance by hitting their stop losses and eventually playing out. Now, you as a guy who have been viewing my channel, you can say for yourself, like, okay, I know what the market did right here. What the market did right here, it is that it provided some liquidity, and all those sellers that were hoping to sell this resistance have been liquidated. I will give you lots of examples until I make sure you understand. So if you want to know this concept, or if this concept appears interesting to you, it is my hope that you watch this video until the very end, because I want to help you guys. It is sad out there that people, even in 2024, are still losing in forex trading. It is so sad and it pains me. So I want to help you guys. Make sure you watch this video until the end. And if you want to be a fan of my videos, because I'll be posting regularly, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. So you can see how the market came after liquidating all sales, how the market came for the fourth time and eventually playing out. And remember, this is the daily time frame, so this is lots of people, almost 6,000 pips right here, you can see. So guys and girls, let me show you another example so that you can see for yourself how this concept, it is so powerful. Let me go to another pair right here, and you can see this is volatility 100S index. You can see for yourself how the market did play out here. Right here you can see this was a valid area of support, and all those newbie traders or even intermediate traders, they'll be saying for themselves, okay, this market will actually sell, because you can see here we have weak rejections. You can see here okay, and let me enter my trades on the third touch, and you can see what the market did on the third touch. It did liquidate all those sellers who were hoping to sell this resistance before eventually playing out on a retest to an area of liquidity engineering levels. Now here it is where the order block traders will be saying to themselves, okay, we have got a stop pound, let me enter this trade. All those breakout traders, guys, this liquidity engineering works the best. If you want to succeed in forex trading, just concentrate on this strategy and you will see wonders. If you still haven't got a concept, let me go to another pair so that you can see for yourself how this powerful it is. Let me go to another pair, and this pair, it is known as volatility 51S index. You can see for yourself all those guys who are hoping to sell the resistance, because this is what we have been told. The institutional traders have been teaching you this, that you have to sell resistance and buy support. And you can see what those guys who have been telling themselves, okay, here is our first touch, here it is our second touch, so this probably is where I will enter my sell trades, because this is a valid support. I do not necessarily say that the concept of support and resistance, it is wrong, but the institutional traders use that concept to get as many retail traders in the losing side as possible, because they need more sellers in order for the market to buy, and they need more buyers in order for the market to sell. You can see right here all those breakout traders, they've been telling themselves, okay, the market already broke this level, let us enter buy trades. And those guys, the support traders, will be saying to themselves, okay, we have already 2 touches, on the third touch let me enter, and here it is where it will be my stop loss. And you can see how the market took out all those traders orders right here. So this is the concept of liquidity engineering. A quick concept for you to note is you can never know if this area is an area where liquidity engineering will take place. You can never know unless you are from the future. So what you should do, once you come into your market, you'll be finding areas where liquidity engineering has already taken place. You cannot predict, okay, here it is where people will be liquidated. You can never know unless you are the market maker, unless this Forex is from your clan or from your family, like you know exactly what you are doing. So you can see how powerful it is. You can see, okay, so after spotting this area of liquidity, you can come to your chart and say, okay, what I know is this is just catching all those guys who have fear of missing out, because people will be entering random trades, be saying, okay, here it's an area of support, it's an area of resistance, excuse me, and this trade is already playing out. I'm missing out of this trade. So you can find people entering random trades, and they think Forex is betting, while in reality, you have to learn how to trade logically. And since you are my student right here, you are my #1 fan of the Forex Clubhouse, you know, okay, I'll just wait until the market comes back to this area of liquidity, and it is where I will enter my trades logically, because remember, you are a businessman. Any market, any trade that you take in this market, you are entering, you are investing your hard-earned money. So you should trade logically with your hard-earned money, and you can see how this trade played out for all these pips, and it was almost 1,400 pips right here. So it's a lot of money, guys and girls. Let me go to another pair so that you can get another concept. Let us see of volatility 25-1S index. You can see right here, this market was on a very long term support position. You can see the market previously obeyed this level in the past. If you go to your left, you can see the market previously obeyed this level on the past right here by selling a little bit, and you can see it turned to be a support right here once these guys were liquidated. So you can see for yourself how the market reacted when it came towards an area of liquidity engineering level. You can see all these pips. You can see all these pips, although my take profit was around this level, but you can see all these pips. Again, guys and girls, I do have a Telegram channel. If you want to join, the link can be found in the description below. So let us see another pair. Let us go to another pair, and this pair is one of the recent one that we did take, and this is the step index. You can see how just powerful, you can see for yourself how powerful this concept is. Just a little simple concept, you can see how powerful this is. So guys and girls, I wish you all the best. I want you to keep practicing. I'll be posting videos regularly on these concepts until you get the concept of what I'm speaking about. If you haven't get a concept, please rewatch this video for at least 4 times. Take notes and refer to these trades that I've shown you. You can pause even the video and study the charts that I've just shown you. It is my hope that this year will end where you are financially free from Forex trading. I wish you all the best, and bye bye.